Quiet there, not many people knew, but it came out in the end, and yeah, I was just glad to help the team out, and I think our line played real well tonight.
Going forward, I was saying that this is one of the more, especially that third period, is one of the more like the complete periods that you guys have played as of late.
Yeah, we had a good first. The second wasn't a good period, and then we came in here in the break and just wanted to basically come back like we did in the first. I think we did that in the third, and that was a big win for us.
How much, you guys went into the break on not the best of notes, and to come out and start fresh, there was no tired, loose legs or anything from not skating. How much is that kind of going to help boost?
Yeah, that was big. We didn't want to come back after break and struggle with the game, and the second period we kind of, I guess, turned around and kind of realized, hey, don't go the wrong way here, and then third, like I said, we turned around, and definitely after a break like that, it's always good to come out strong.
Is it good to see a guy like Wardson get 2 goals there after that? That one there in the second period that he probably would like that back.
Yeah, like the giveaway there. Oh yeah. I mean, I told him right after that, I was like, hey, don't even worry about it. We're gonna go get one. And I think the next shift we went out and got one. So I think that'll help anybody. If you have a little mistake like that, to come back strong is pretty big.
Thanks.